All right. There we go. That should be good. That should be good. Good, good, good. All right, good. I don't know why that was happening. Yeah, there. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, wow. Finally. All right. Only took 6 minutes or whatever. Okay. So market just opened. Technically didn't really open. I mean, 9:30 is the stock market open. I don't think the market's open today, stock market. But the futures markets are open. So let's take a look. Obviously, right now we're just doing a complete V bottom, which is not the easiest thing to try to trade. Got a little bit of some supply right here. Looks like we took out these lows down in here and completely rejected that. Take a look at VWAP. We are right at VWAP right now. Interesting. Might look for a scalp short in this area, potentially, maybe. Depends on if we just blow through it or not. Yes, it's a bank holiday. It's a bank holiday. Hello, everyone. Hello. Happy Labor Day. You can see I got the colors changed behind me and everything. Alright, so we swept those lows. We came back into this level of supply. We're now rejecting that level of supply. There's not much of a trade for me here. It's just, right now, it's just moving from basic level to basic level. From liquidity to supply. Getting a little bit of a consolidation here. Man, this is already looking a little choppy. Away from the neon green. It's just for Labor Day. It's like the United States flags, you know? What are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Alrighty. Let's see if we break out of this little consolidation. Looking for shorts or long. Right now, it's just kind of testing this area of supply. TikTok saying no sound detected. I don't know why it does that. I think you guys can hear me. Good morning, good morning. I decided to go on the charts today for fun. That's all. For fun. I do live stream after all. If, at the very least, it's content, right? All right. I took a little trade there. I'm literally just trying to scalp this thing for one. Look at as soon as I put it on the screen, it misses my target by a tick. Come on. This is just pure scalping. Wow, it really can't get there. There we go. Okay, that's one trade in the books. Man, that is not as exciting as the other trades, is it? But it's Labor Day. I'm just gonna sit here and kind of just chip away at price, just try to catch really quick moves. Don't expect to catch anything crazy on Labor Day, you know, it's a bank holiday. Secret trader. Listen, one day it won't be so secret, all right? So basically what I was doing there was betting that that zone was going to fail because there was just a little pause here and then immediate strong break of that pause. You know, usually when you consolidate and then break out in an area of supply, I mean, that's not really a good sign for the orders that were supposed to be sitting there, right? You know, it's if there's a bunch of sell orders here and a lot of selling pressure, you would kind of start moving down, right? You're not going to pause and then just keep going higher. So that was the idea behind that trade. Super simple, super stupid. Do you look against S&P for SMT, etc., to give you confirmation? No, I don't. But, you know, it does make sense, I guess. But, no, not really. Let's look at ES. What is ES doing? Man, ES is just disgusting looking. All right, so we're now back above this level of supply. Take a look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks like it's getting ready to kind of make a move out of this range. We do have these highs right here to target. Could potentially try to take another scalp up to those highs if we get a little pause and then continuation. Excuse me. Quite the crazy V bottom there. Took out those lows all the way back up. So there's definitely some momentum to the upside right now. Yes, Kate. Apex does have a lot of flack for their payout policy. It's just because they have a lot of rules, from what I understand. Like a lot of nitpicky rules, like you got to trade for 7 days. Each day has to be over a certain amount. Let's see if this breaks out here. So it's not that they don't pay out, it's just that they're more strict on, you know, who they pay out. But yes, they are kind of known for controversy with denying payouts. So just look at their payout rules. Make sure you understand them. Man, this price is now just coiling. Stuck here. Anybody on Take Profit here that has their data delayed? I've not had that issue. Yeah, guys, I'm very aware that it is Labor Day and that it is going to be nearly impossible to trade. I know. That's the point of the stream. Mine seemed a bit off. Dang, I've never had an issue with data there. Might have to look into that. Although I'm not using Take Profit Trader right now. I'm just using Apex. Alright, so we're kind of just chopping in this zone. Don't expect much to happen, but let's just watch. Let's just watch. Traded Asia session and it went great. Yeah, honestly, every session other than New York session is probably the session to trade today. This thing is just chopping away, as to be expected. Doesn't look like it wants to take these highs out, so a break of these highs potentially could lead to a little sweep up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. All right, so we swept those highs and immediately tanked. That happened super fast. Looks like someone's trading today. Not everyone's gone. I can't even put on a trade. Oh my god, what is happening? Maybe they just don't allow Labor Day trading? And the classic NASDAQ fake breakdown. Looks like we took out liquidity here now. We're just taking liquidity out in both ways. Oh my god. The amount of comments I'm getting about trading on Labor Day is crazy. That's the point of the stream, guys. That is the point. I'm trading with one Apex account for fun, for the content, for the stream, just for fun. What else am I gonna do on Labor Day, huh? What, I'm gonna go grill and drink? Come on. Not trading, gambling. Hey, AJ. Check out this magic trick. I'm gonna make you disappear. And he's gone. If there was a day to just chop around literally all day, it would be today. All right, trying to break through these highs here. It looks like it's trying now. They're really trying. Let's see if we can get a break of these highs right here. I'll give you a follow. Thank you, that one guy. That one guy. All right. I took that break. Just missed my target once again. Will I actually get the target? Man, it is really hard for NASDAQ to move today. Every move seems to be getting stuffed a bit. But again, that is to be expected. All right, I'm just going to close that out there. I don't trust it. Which now means it's probably going to explode. But man, I just realized, what's the ATR? ATR is 6. No wonder these trades are so small. ATR is 6. Excuse me. I feel like it's going to go lower. Hey, I mean, taking out these highs, it very well could. All right, refreshing the charts. Let's see what we got going on. We actually do have a little bit of a bearish order zone here on this 5-minute. So there's definitely some pressure above right now. The question is, do we just blow right through it? We got these highs acting as liquidity. This is a previous area where we had some pretty strong selling pressure. But obviously the run up into this zone right now is pretty strong. So yeah, wow, look at that. All right, Labor Day run. Labor Day run. Man, look at that ugly chart. All right, so we got a 5-minute order zone. And that's currently kind of just being pushed right through. So will that hold? Probably not. If we start kind of just fumbling around in this area, maybe it has a chance to hold, but right now looks like people are buying. Labor Day futures bull run. We're now above VWAP as well. If we consolidate around here, I might take a break down back to earth. Oh. So on the 5-minute, we just took out these highs right here. So that's the supply highs. The 15-minute looks like it wants to break as well. Looks like we want to go all the way up to these highs right over here. You know, I always like to do an exercise where I'm like, if I were replaying this, right? Then you just play it forward. Play it forward. Hello? Okay, trading view. Great software. Oh, you can't play it forward because it's not done yet. But I like to think, all right, where's the next candle going? You know, just based off of this action, the replay action. Alrighty, so we're just consolidating here now. What do you use ATR for? It gives me an idea of where how much my stop loss should be. If your stop loss is multiple ATR, it might be too wide. Try to keep my stop loss 1 ATR. Am I looking for buys? If we really consolidate here and then start going higher, sure, I might look for buys, but right now, not really. Right now, it's a little more short looking. It is in an uptrend though, so. But I'm scalping, so it's not like I'm trying to catch huge swings. Just quick moves, quick moves. What's the current NQ month everyone is using? I actually don't know because I trade off of a. This is a continuous chart or whatever it's called, perpetual contract. I don't know. I forget what it's called. But somebody must know that in the chat. Do you have a mentorship? Not a mentorship, no. Not a $3,000 mentorship. I have a free boot camp though. That is on my YouTube channel. September, the month of September, infamous guy. NQU25, yep. All right, curious to see if this breaks down or it's gonna fake out and then rip higher. It's gonna do one of the two probably. I mean, obviously, it's either gonna go up or down, right? Yeah, that's looking a little bit fakey right now. Is there a reason I don't? Just don't really have the time and don't want to be one of those guys that charges multiple thousands of dollars for, you know, for just, like literally almost everything I know is on my YouTube channel. Why would I make a mentorship? I have a course, but that course is, you know, that doesn't take up a lot of my time. And it's just an extra push. I mean, the course kind of acts like a mentorship. Because you do get a Discord role that gives you access to a chat that you can ask me questions anytime. So it's like you're kind of getting a mentorship. It's just not packaged all fancy like marketing gurus do. Wow, yeah, I mean, this is, look at the volume, guys. There's just, look at this volume. Look at the volume compared to yesterday. You can't even see it on TikTok, but here. Volume today, volume yesterday at opening. Or not yesterday, but you know what I mean. There is zero volume right now. Yeah, this thing is fakey as hell right now. It's breaking highs, then dumping, breaking lows, then popping. Let's see what happens. Break of either of these should be a decisive move. No, faked out. There's probably going to be a lot of that today. once again. Some highs formed are going up to the highs. Now back to the lows. Oh no. We're doing the barcode, boys. We're doing the barcode. What is the difference from your boot camp to the paid course? I have gone through your boot camp and seems to work enough for me. Yeah, that's the point. It's you know, the boot camp, you know, if you have a lot of experience and stuff, the boot camp should be a pretty good amount of, you know, it should help you out. The course is more so if like you're a little bit newer probably, and also I mean there are stuff in the course that I don't have on the boot camp, like more specifics. But I mean, yeah, I always say there's like 80 to 90% of the info is on the boot camp, and then the last 20 to 10% or whatever is in the course. I wonder if other people are streaming today. Who else is streaming today? Oh yeah, nobody's streaming today. For good reason, clearly. Look at this. Yeah, literally no one's streaming. Oh. Once again, breaks highs and goes back to lows. Who's calling me? Breaks lows and now it's going to go to highs. What pair am I trading? This is futures. This is NASDAQ. Yeah, I can see why more people are watching the stream today, because there's literally nobody else streaming. No days off for me. I got you guys. I got you guys. All right, back sweeping the lows. Will we now go back and sweep the highs? This is the type of range that is just going to rip the faces off of everyone trying to catch a move. So best to just wait it out and wait probably for like a serious break of highs. Like if you're going to, I'm scalping right now, so like maybe a break of those highs, something definitive, something meaningful. Trying to trade this chop right here is just going to be impossible. I mean, even if you took the break of these lows, which are pretty clear, you still would get screwed. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to take this. It's quite a big bar there. Look at that. Now you take out the highs, and now it's going to go back to lows. Oh, NASDAQ. Does futures stop at 1 p.m. today? Yes, futures end, or markets close at 1 p.m. today for futures. Man, why am I looking so shiny right now? There we go. Can I still buy stocks today? No. The stock market is closed. It's just the futures market that's open until 1 p.m. Man, look at that chop. This thing is just gonna... You're not gonna be able to get an entry off of this, I don't think. I don't think it's going to allow for an entry. It's probably just going to dump randomly or explode randomly. Never really give a good... Oh, is it making a move? No. NASDAQ 100 index? Yeah. Alright, it's looking like it wants to break. Will it break? Or will it go all the way back to highs? Looks like it's breaking. Never mind. I'm in a trade here. We'll watch it happen. It's already giving me manipulation vibes, but we'll see. Just going for that one-to-one scalp. Yeah, this is looking pretty bad. Man, yeah. Today's just going to be impossible to trade. This is looking like it wants to stop me out. We'll hold it for the video though, or for the stream. Normally I might just close this out right here, given the fake out wick right there, but screw it. It's literally an Apex account on Labor Day. Who cares? It seems like the strategy on the NASDAQ is to literally just, when you're in a range like this, just sell the highs, buy the lows, sell the highs, buy the lows, and just scalp it forever. Because it stays in these ranges literally for so long. Man, you can just see it in the price. Nobody's trading. It's just super jumpy. Bad trade. Check this out, safe. Blocked. Oh, and then he said no volume either. So it's just a troll. Why are you trading? Because it's fun, alright? I'm having fun, if you can't tell. This is super fun, guys. Don't you know I love trading chop? It's literally my favorite thing to do ever. Yeah. 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 Wow, dude. Oh my god. The manipulation is crazy. Well, it's not even manipulation, it's just low volume. That might be the only chance I had there. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a stop right at the highs there. Because it's gonna just has the potential to now go up. Has the potential to now break up. Man, it's going to be a long day. It's going to be a long day. Emotional final boss. Check this out, Ryan. Bro was block happy today. Yes. Yeah, I can't deal with it. I'm just over it. Look at this, guys. Dang. I know I was expecting a choppy day, but this is not even like tradable. Like, you literally cannot trade this. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to be done here. You're the liquidity. Hey, G Huncho. Check this out. 3, 2, 1. Gone. Guys, I'm trading on an Apex account. A singular Apex account with 4 micros. This whole stream is just for fun. I'm glad I can provide you some entertainment, Sly Cooper. Am I short? No. I was. But then the market wicked me out. How come you don't trade directly from TradingView? Because the data's slower. You don't see the ticks as clearly. You don't see the movement as clearly. I mean, come on. That's looking like it wants to go now. Surely it won't. Being a big back, eating pizza in the AM, watching people get blocked is actually fire. Hey, maybe I should do it more often. All right, 1 second, guys. Guys in the room. And you be back. Well, I entered a trade, and then I had to walk my girlfriend out, and I'm still in the trade. I did not set a target. Whoopsie! This will probably come and stop me out now, given the choppiness of Labor Day market, but we'll hold it again. We'll hold it for the stream, for the dream. That would have been a winner. 100% would have been a winner, but duty calls, duty calls. My luck is immaculate. Everybody knows when I leave this chair, things start happening. Don't find my dog. I might have to go get her. In which case this will probably, again, sweep. I'll just put a limit order there. At the low. Actually, let's shoot for, let's be a little ambitious here. This thing could rip. Did my order didn't get filled. You got half filled. You got half filled. Bruh. It's gonna come all the way back up now. Oh man, this is why you don't trade on Labor Day. Jesus. Jesus. Lord. Oop, what? Oh my god, I had the wrong orders, wrong size. Okay, well, half filled there. Amazing. This price action is crazy. Alright, 1 second. My dog's barking. Lay down. Lay down. Zell says, I teach how to read the market and day trade. Engage. Why risk it on Labor Day? Just curious. Zell, I thought you were a bot, but it looks like you're a real person. Don't promote, please. If you promote again, I'm going to ban you. I spared you because it seems you're not a bot, but... I appreciate you giving us a place to hang out even though the market isn't doing too much. That's what it's all about, man. It's all about community. Join my fan club. What was that? Can you get up from your chair one more time? I just entered and need movement. Yeah, right? Alright, 1 second, guys. Let's give this trade some movement. 1 second. Well, I tried. Short off VWAP. Man, I don't even know what to do right now. Maybe shorts are the move. Alright, I'm taking a short to the lows. I'm taking a short to the lows. Come on. Oh. Are you actually going to hit me? You're actually going to... Oh. Alright. There we go. Well, now I wish I was still in that. Although it's probably just going to... Wow. Okay. All the way back up. Today you really just need to put limit orders for your targets and just scalp. Just like I just did there, because my God, this is no longer just a coincidence, right? It's literally all it's doing is wicking. So whenever we get a big move, literally, you know, you can do two things. You can either take targets or you can just fade the move, because every big move is just getting wicked back into the range. It looks like because of the low volume, any inefficiency, right? Any move outside of the range is just, you know, maybe there's some algos that are just buying the extremes, selling the extremes. So maybe that's the move. Maybe I'll try buying next time we have a big drop and then shorting when we have a big pop. That's a lot of volume in that candle, though. The highest volume candle we've seen since 9:50, so 30 minutes. Get off the charts, bro. This is a entertainment stream. Oh, that one guy. Thank you for that heart, by the way. I think that might be one of my most common comments on TikTok is get off the charts. Why would I get off the charts? I'm live streaming. Everybody's chilling in the chat. We're just hanging out, man. All right, get ready. Get ready for another freaking swift move down and right back up, probably. No volume on that selling. Why are they acting like they're going to lose their houses if you trade bank holiday? I see what you mean. Yeah, I know. I don't know. Like, the trading community is so concerned about other people's trading. I don't know. Have you guys noticed that? Like, traders love commenting on other people's trading. It's a low probability trading environment, bro. What are you saying? Well, you're watching me right now. So clearly you still have some interest in the charts. You're not sun tanning in the freaking beach right now, are you? China's starting to make their own chips now is the news. Ooh. I'm watching you because I saw you and thought this kid is clueless. Okay, check this one out. Natural. I got a little trick to show you. Should reach the height in 1 hour. The highs. China, yeah, alright. So, looks like we got some news, but still don't think we're going to see any volatility today. If anyone complains looking at the chart, go play video games. Yeah, I know, like, why? Why leave a comment? Just go on about your day. It's crazy. Today requires a little more patience. Well, today you shouldn't really be trading at all, to be honest. But I'm doing it because I live stream and it's fun. This is not tradable. Like, I'm trading it, but it is really, really hard. Any trades yet? Yes, Magnets, a few trades. We're just scalping around here. It's really, today just seems like you gotta catch these moves, these big wicks. You gotta either short, you know, you gotta trade in the direction of the big wick or try to trade against the big wick, depending on your entry. Why doesn't normal PAs work on days like this? Because it's a holiday, it's a bank holiday. Nobody's trading. Alright, so we're actually in a little bit of an area here on the 3 minute. Kind of just surfing these moving averages, 10 and 20 moving averages. Maybe if we break above these highs right here, could take it back up to this upper zone. That's too big of a candle for me to enter on. Don't really want to do that. And we know when you get a big candle today, it seems to get rejected right back in the range. So maybe if we start breaking the high again, one more time, maybe. Buddy, what are you doing? Holy shite, man. They don't stop. Every comment on TikTok is about how it's Labor Day. I know it's Labor Day, guys. I am not stupid. I'm very aware. All right, still stuck at that level. Oh my god, look at that chop. Labor Day chop. Labor Day more like chop day. All right. Wow. Look at that volume. Everyone seems to be some type of advisor today. It's just the way TikTok is, man. 90% of the people are cool, and then 10% just kind of want to leave a comment and leave. Yella, thank you for the rose. First gift, Yella. Wow, thank you. So we're just sitting here now. Doesn't seem to want to move, which is... Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm trying it. Again, low probability stuff here. Gotta put that sell limit order in. Oh my god, dude. Every time. How do I always put my limit order right where it top ticks or bottom ticks and doesn't fill me? You know what to do now? Oh, there we go. Nice. And now this is short all day here, right? Just bet on the wick coming right back in. What did you have for breakfast, Magnus? I assume you just heard my stomach grumble. Like that. Oh my god, my volume is so low. Sorry. Freaking hate this. Whatever is doing that. I don't even know what's doing that. So yeah, the answer to your question, Magnus, is nothing. A hearty breakfast of nothing. Air. It's like that one SpongeBob episode, Osmosis. But I will eat something soon here. I just have to take some medication first. No News Monday today. Fab. Not only is it No News Monday, it is a bank holiday, my friend. So, the trades are few and far between. Are you streaming on other platforms too? Yes, I'm streaming everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Kick, Twitter, everywhere. Yeah, this may have been a trade that you could hold because it... Honestly, yeah, I probably should have just tried holding this one, but whatever. Because it is with the trend, and the logical next move here is back up to highs, right? Especially this zone up here is probably going to fail from the looks of it. But we'll see. Alright, I'll be right back. I need to put something in my stomach so it doesn't keep growling. Alright, be right back. Oh my god, even YouTube is telling me it's Labor Day. I need to put up like a text that says, I know it's Labor Day. Look at the background, man. It's America. Oh, TikTok. You know it's a holiday, right? Holy crap. It's not stopping. It's not stopping. Let me make this red a little bit. Let me make this red a little brighter. Oh, that's the blue. There we go. Alright, be right back. Oh, and now there's a crypto shiller in my chat. Man, the quality of the chat today is interesting. I think because nobody else is live streaming right now, I'm just getting a bunch of new audience that's never seen me before. Alright, be right back. Literally 60 seconds. I'll be right back. These are not for you. My big fat dog. Anybody know about Publix cookies? What y'all know about Publix cookies? Cookies. What's up, Coop? Cookies for breakfast. It's Labor Day. Live a little. Pub subs member? Oh yeah. I will say though, pub subs have severely deteriorated in quality over the years. They are not like they used to be. Wow. Actually getting some movement here. Never mind. Just another one of those wicks. Are you over 16? What? All right. What do we do? What do we do? Don't mind the background noise. My dog is chewing a bone. We're both eating. Bro, get off the charts. It's bank holiday. I swear TikTok comments run on like an algorithm. It's the same comments. It's literally the same exact comments. Over and over again. It's like the dead internet theory. Why does my volume keep going down? Could get a break here. All right. Betting on the zone failing. It's going to be a fake out. I know you want a cookie, Kaya, but it has chocolate in it. Uh-oh. That's not bueno. Alright, I need to stop eating these cookies. I just keep eating them. I'm actually feeling a little sick from eating so many cookies. You weren't supposed to grab the whole package. Yeah, I know. I was just in a rush, alright? Well, you don't usually want to see a breakout kind of just stop, you know? You kind of want to see it keep going pretty quickly, so the more we hover around here, the more likely this trade starts to fail. I need to put the cookies down. Instantly picks them up. This is my last one. I swear. Alright, this isn't looking too good. Whatever. We'll hold it. I'm gonna go put the cookies away. Probably will be stopped out by the time I get here. Did I just speak English? I don't even know what I just said. I hope that made sense. Oh man, I got a feeling this is gonna wick out my stop and then go. That's the vibes it's giving. Is trading or streaming more profitable for you? Honestly, it's a mix. It's a pretty good mix because it's like if I'm losing in trading, then the income that I make from social media and whatever is kind of helps, you know. Oh my god. All right, that was a total fake out. TS entry? Not sure what you mean there. Man, what a fake out. All right, on to the next one. On to the next scalp. Oh, turtle soup? No. How long have you been streaming for? Which platforms? I've been streaming, I think, 5 months. I don't even really know. I forget. And I stream on all platforms. Basically all platforms. All the major platforms. I'm live right now. I'm even live in Discord. I just realized Discord. Can you guys even see my Ninja Trader when I put it on the screen? Okay. You see? Wicked out my stop, and now it's going up. Knew that was gonna freaking happen. But, you know, day like today, you really can't expect much. Oh no, Paris. I've been streaming for like 5 months, but I've been making content for like 5 years. So, yeah. I took like a 2-year break though, so. Oh my god, TikTok's still telling me it's a bank holiday. I know, guys. I know. That's the point. Have you walked your dog? No, not yet. I do that right after I'm done here. GTF off the charts and live life. What did I tell you guys? It's the same comments. TikTok runs on it's like freaking bots. How are so many people making the exact same comment? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is air. Yeah. I'm not even, I just realized I'm like not even really looking at the chart, not even. Let's see if there's any opportunity here. Alright, so we just kind of came out of this zone. Hit demand. High volume candle there. I don't know. I feel like we want to go up to these highs, but look at how wicky every single wick or candle is. Uh, 2 minute. Maybe this is a 2-minute trade here. We got 1 minute left on this 2-minute candle. And it's looking like another chop fest. Is trading on bank holidays good? No, not at all. Nearly impossible, in fact. But my girlfriend's working. I'm at home. I may as well just stream, try to have some fun. It does look like we're winding up for a move, but also it's a bank holiday, so we're gonna look like we're winding up because there's not gonna be much movement. So, you know, it's honestly, today's probably the worst day to try to trade breakouts. Maybe I should try to just put some limit orders in some nice zones and see how that does. Man, I feel like the probability whenever NASDAQ, any given candle on NASDAQ, whenever it breaks a high or a low, the probability of it going the exact opposite direction is pretty high. Seems to be all it wants to do. All right. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't really have much. I'm trying. I mean, this is looking like it wants to go back down into the zone now. Are you woke? What do you mean? Oh, there goes my stomach again. Is there even a reason for shorts here? I don't even see any zone or anything. It's just... Yeah, that is some crazy looking price action, isn't it? Make the word holiday a ban word. No, I won't just ban people for asking. Only if they ask with some attitude and some slight. Decode the barcode. Yeah, there's nothing going on right now. It's bad. What is NQ? NASDAQ? Alright, I'm literally gonna just take a short for fun. Literally no reason for this short. I'm just going. I'm just doing it. Literally a coin flip. It loves to fake out before it rips. Yeah, today is the day to look for fake outs. I don't really know why I'm trying to trade breakouts, but I am. What I should be doing is probably putting limit orders on all the extremes. All the lows, all the highs. That'll probably work out better. Guys, I am trading on a bank holiday for fun. It is for the live stream. Because people, believe it or not, are trading today, or at least looking at the charts today, because some people find it fun. Yeah, trying to catch these moves. There's no momentum today, so I'm just gonna probably close this out. Super small trade, anyways. I mean, what's ATR is 2 points. Holy crap! ATR is 2 points. That's crazy. This thing is definitely gonna stop me out. So if I just get any kind of retrace, I'll just close this out. Call it a day. Well, not call it a day, but definitely not going to try to trade breakouts today. That's for sure. Does not. Maybe it worked in the right at the opening, you know? Oh my god, look at that. But yeah, trying to trade in this chop is not going to work out. Just gapped up there. All right, see you, Coop Bog. See you tomorrow for an actual trading day. Yeah, I'm literally just going to mark out every single extreme point, and we're just going to fade it. We're just going to fade it all. Going to just fade the chop. Corey, I'm planning to buy some Apex accounts. Do you have an Apex code? I do. It's ST. And that gives you 90% off. ST. For simple trader. ST. Hope you're not trading right now. My brother. Whatever. I just have to start ignoring those comments because there's too many of them. All right, let's do an experiment. I'm just putting literally a buy order and a sell order at the highs. Or in the lows, highs and lows. So let's just see. Let's just see if... Actually, now that I think about it, probably shouldn't be right at the highs. I'm just going to do this. Just literally range bound. Just put in an order on each side of the range. And now, of course, this is going to be when NASDAQ actually moves somehow. Strategy is out the window right now. We are just experimenting. This is Ninja Trader. Mustafa, the free courses, it only applies to Take Profit Trader, unfortunately. Apex does not count towards it. I'm sorry. Just because Apex you can buy 10 accounts, you know, like that, very easily, very cheap. There needs to be some kind of effort, or, you know, it just has to be. I have to, yeah, I banned him, Adam. I have to make it so that, you know, the people that actually buy the course, nobody else can just, you know, buy a couple Apex accounts and get it for free. You know what I mean? Like, it has to be fair. So that's why it's Take Profit Trader. Oh, look at that. Of course. And now we're moving. Really? Now we're moving? All right, let's see what happens here. That looks pretty good though. That actually looks like a breakout. This thing looks like it's about to just go right to those highs. Matter of fact, reverse. Oh, well, that was a terrible entry. Why did it give me a high price like that? Okay, whatever. Well, let's just that was probably the wrong move. But whatever, man. Labor Day trading, more like Labor Day guessing. There's no rhyme or reason right now. I thought the market was closed for Labor Day. The stock market is closed. This is the futures market, but it's basically closed. There's nobody trading. This is just for fun, kind of gambling, basically. You see how much faster Ninja Trader moves compared to TradingView? So much faster. You would think TradingView would get on that. But they have had like the same data speed forever. Looks like another fake out. God dang. This thing is really... See, I should have just kept my order there. That's the move. That's the move. I don't know why I tried trading another breakout, but... Literally just... It's all it's doing is taking out highs and lows and chopping back in. Well, that's actually a decent candle there. Are we getting volatility on Labor Day? What's going on here? I hate TradingView. I don't think their charts are good either. Think or Swim has great charting. I don't really like Think or Swim though. I don't know why. It feels clunky to me. I like TradingView because it feels really... it's very smooth. But I do not like their data. Their data feed sucks. Absolutely sucks. Tradeovate has really good data. Tradeovate's probably the best that I've seen so far. You can see every movement. It's like you see all the millions of transactions. So random volume spike there. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna I don't know, man. This is not a chart that's really tradable. I also don't want to, you know, I don't want to take too many stupid trades, even though it is an Apex account. Alright guys, it looks like the market is closed. Yeah, there we go. There was not even a single tick there for a second. Price just wasn't even moving. It's wild. Oh. Do I short the range? Do I short the range? Are we going to stay range bound forever? Wow, there was no volume in that candle. I'm just going to short it. I mean, who cares, right? Who cares? Okay. You know what? I'm going to stay short. I'm just going to stay short blindly. This market has been nothing but fake outs. Man, that's looking strong though. Why is the market actually moving when I'm trying to fade it and then not moving when I'm trying to take the breakout? That is, my timing is insane right now. Wow, there's some volatility coming in right now. I don't know what is going on. What's the volume looking like? Yeah, volume's still low. It's still very low. There's no volume in any of these candles, and yet we're moving. Like, look at that volume. There's no volume in these candles. Okay. That's crazy. I'm just going to short it again. We'll just short again. Just short the highs. Because this thing, all it does is break highs in return, right? Man, this thing is jumping like crazy. Ugh. Again, guys, this is just for fun. There is no strategy here. There is no strategy. This is Labor Day, just for fun, just trading for fun. Oh, this got to be a joke trading? It's got to be a joke? I got a joke for you. What do you get when you walk in to a trader's live stream and leave a nasty comment? Just failed my funded following you. I'm sorry, but if that's true, you're not the sharpest tool in the shed. Actually, I just banned that guy. I won't ban him. I'll just keep him muted for a little bit. I'll put him in timeout. Oh, I can't put him in timeout. I'll mute him for the entire live. I can prove it. I took the short like you and bottom ticked. Well, that's what you get for following somebody that's literally trading on Labor Day and who has said repeatedly that this is freaking, there's literally no strategy. I'm literally just trading for fun, just guessing, just trading on Labor Day, man. So that's your fault. Don't be stupid. See? It always does this. Right back down under. See? And now I'm just going to close that out because it's probably not going to move that much. It's just going to wick probably. And now that I said that, it'll tank. Honestly, probably a good buy. Probably a good buy if we get to anywhere around here. Here, I'll just put a freaking limit order. Literally just right there. Market closes soon? Yeah, I know. It's just bots giving you a hard time today. Thing is, yeah, maybe. It might be bots, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it is, honestly. But maybe they're really good at rage baiting. It can break outside liquidity. Yeah, it did just take some highs. It did just take some liquidity, so. And you know what? Well, let me put it. Yeah, we'll just go halfway, right there. I'll just put it halfway right there. Just literally just looking to buy the lows, sell the highs today, because no movement is likely to happen really. Wow, now it's actually kind of moving. There's actually volume coming in. Did something happen? Did something happen that I'm not aware of? All right, I need to go pee. Be right back. Okay. So, what do we got going on here? 5 minute. Looks like she's going to go right back into the range. Look at that. Works like a charm. Works like a charm, guys. I've cracked the code for Labor Day trading. Just freaking buy the bottom of the range, sell the top of the range. Wow, a whopping $16. A whopping $16 in profit. I should probably be trading with more size, but again, it's Labor Day. Don't really want to oversized trade on a bank holiday. It would seem that the market is correlated to my bowel movements. Took a dump when I did. Yeah, man. It's the it's the leaving the chair curse. As soon as you leave your chair. Everybody knows if you leave your chair, that's when the market will move. If you're sitting there, it's just gonna do nothing. I'm just going to close this out. Who cares? All right. What's the next Labor Day trade? Look at that. Looks like he's just selling back up here. Oh my God. It's actually kind of hilarious. Right now, you know, today might be the best day to trade because you know it's not going to make a giant move. So, you know, maybe just go all in, full porting on each extreme, and you'll be chilling. That's a joke. Please don't do that. Oh, I didn't even realize in Discord there is a live stream chat. Sorry, everybody in the Discord. But I see the chat now. Oh man, today on TikTok is the best day ever for engagement. I'm getting just so many comments. 2 comments in a row asking me why I'm trading today. Kaya! The Kaya! Hey Kaya. You're so cute. You're not gonna leave? Guess he's staying there. I know you wanna go. I'll take you. In about an hour. 40 minutes. You have to rage bait them, put a text saying, I only trade Labor Day. Yeah, honestly, that's a good idea. That's a great idea. There we go. We're at the top of the range now. Do I want a short? I don't know, though. I'm getting a little nervous. There seems to be more movement now. Oh, Kaya. I'll take ya. Just give me 30 minutes. Oh, my poor doggy. She gets taken out. My girlfriend takes her out every morning, but then she wants me to take her out. No. We're not doing that. I know. All right. Kaya. Oh my goodness, she's relentless. No. Sit down. Good girl. Stay. Be quiet, please. Okay? Okay. Market closes at 1 p.m., by the way. So, yeah, not much time to trade, right? Don't even know what I'm looking for, my friend. Don't even know what I'm looking for right now. There's not much. We've just been range bound the entire day. Back and forth. Now we're actually kind of moving with some movement. Moving with some movement, yeah. Wow. Dang it. I was seconds away from hitting that buy button, but missed it. So we took out those highs. Why is this thing picking? It's probably people just coming in at the last minute to place their trades before tomorrow, I guess. Maybe that's why we're getting a little bit of an influx. Or maybe some moves came out. Did I just say moves? Let's check the news. Trump, India offered to cut their tariffs to nothing. Oh, that was 2 hours ago. Okay, what is there to do? I mean, could try to fade this. Could try to fade this short, but you know what? If we start breaking. Testing. All right, cool. I'm increasing my volume, by the way, guys, so cover your ears, just in case. Man, we went from wicks every candle to now just full-bodied candles. Look at that. What's going on? There's barely any wicks now. Now we're just making big moves. Interesting. I know it's Labor Day. I know it's Labor Day. I know it's Labor Day. Next stop is those highs. There's nothing really else. What's your simple strategy? Check out the free bootcamp playlists on YouTube. It's the only playlist I got. Ooh. Maybe I'll take a Labor Day nap after this. No problem, Birdman. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, there's a free bootcamp on my YouTube channel. There's a lot of great videos on my YouTube channel that are all free, so check them out if you want. But what do I know? I'm just an average dude. What do you think about tick candles? I used to like them, but for my specific strategy that I've been using on futures trading, yes, Birdman, the simple trader, it's been, I think it kind of overcomplicates, it overcomplicates things. Because then I'm looking at a time, because you can only identify the levels on a time chart. You can't really identify the levels on a tick chart. So I'm using a tick chart and a time chart, and I'm looking back and forth, and both of them look different. So I think it was just overcomplicating things. So now I just only use minute charts, and I'm just trying to keep it simple. Did you say free? Yes, free. Everything on my YouTube channel is free, right? Just go to the playlist. It's called the Simple Trader Bootcamp, and it's basically a free course that's probably better than most paid courses. I know everybody says that about their free course, but I genuinely mean that. I think you'll learn more from that bootcamp than literally a paid course. All right, there's literally nothing here for me. There's no levels. There's, man, we knew this thing was gonna come to those highs, huh? Should have just held on to the longs down here, but what are you gonna do? It's Labor Day. Can't expect much. Better than TGR Bootcamp. I think beginners like TGR Bootcamp better because it's literally like the absolute most basic stuff. So I think they're two different boot camps. I think TJR's boot camp is better if you're an absolute just noob, like literally don't know anything. But if you know how to like read a candlestick, basic support and resistance, then I think my boot camp's better for you. Just my opinion. If you don't know how to read a freaking candlestick or basic, support resistance, then my playlist is going to be a little more difficult, but I still think I explain everything in a pretty easy to understand way. Alright, so we're now starting to consolidate here. Now that we're actually getting some clean moves, maybe I'll try to take a break up trade. I don't think it's going to be... You know what, maybe. Well, I'm gonna watch it. Who cares? God dang, it's just Labor Day. I keep trying to trade this like it's an actual day, and gotta get out of that mindset because it's not gonna work. There's that high being swept. You know what? Just for fun, I'm just gonna short the high. I'm just gonna short the high. I'm gonna double down on it, as a matter of fact. Because price isn't moving much. So let's have some fun. Oh God. Oh God, it's going back to the highs. Oh my God. What is today, man? Well, I know what today is. It's freaking Labor Day. The best day to trade. Alright, well, let's look at this volume. Volume is increased. We're above those highs. Probably not a good idea to try to stay short all the way down here. Well, there's a bit of a rejection there. Who freaking knows, man? This is not my strategy. I'm literally just shorting at a high. You know, it might just rally into the close. It might just be in a big old fat uptrend until market close. I'm gonna probably just close this out. Yeah. Or do I double down? Or do I double down, guys? It is Labor Day after all. Let's double down. Who cares? Let's blow this account out. It's not that serious, right? I keep trying to treat this like it's an actual account. This is freaking Labor Day Apex account. I'm just gonna short this thing. I'm just gonna fade it. For the dream, for the stream. Do we full port on Labor Day? Hey, that would be some good content, wouldn't it? Full port on Labor Day. We take this text seriously. We actually act upon that idea. If you knew you were 40 failures from success, 40 failures away from success, how fast would you fail, bro? Re-enter the trade. Yeah. We're 40 failures away from success. Come on, let's just keep going. Where even is price? That's not that great looking for shorts, I would argue, but We're going to do it anyways. Maybe a pullback down to these moving averages on this 5-minute. It's not ready yet for short. Yeah, probably not. Oops. This may have trapped shorts, and now it's just gonna rip their face off, rip their faces off their freaking head. Yeah, this is looking like it's gonna be a big fat old bull run. But you know, we made our choice. So I'm adding to this. I'm adding to this. I'm trading one account, guys. You know, if we blow the account, I don't really care. I'll call it a Labor Day business expense. I want to walk my dog. Generational shorts. Yeah, this is either like, you know, it's either going to be a big fat fake out down, or we're just going to literally grind up all day until market close, which is in about an hour and 30 minutes. So, joke, man? What do you mean, joke, man? All right, stop spamming, or I'm going to ban you, please. Down spam. Thank you. All right, here comes the fake out. Come on. It's looking really strong for the uptrend right now. If these moving averages hold, then we are gonna just probably grind up. What's your opinion on starting eval with LLC? Is it better than the personal name? I've never tried that. I didn't even know you could do that. You can do an evaluation account with an LLC? What? All right, if we start seeing some breakage of these lows with some momentum, I'll just freaking full port it. I'll just go all in. Don't you use stop loss? I do, but this is just literally just gambling. Like it's just a for fun trade, for fun account actually. I'm trading MNQ. Looks like we're holding this, so get ready for some grinding. Not in the good way. A lot of fake simple traders. I know. There's so many accounts. Yeah, Mustafa, they're all fake. They're all fake accounts. They're all scammers. The account's either going to be blown or we're going to make a tiny little bit. The risk to reward is great. Yeah, don't accept Mustafa. Just block him. Block him. ATR is 2 points. Might actually be really hard to blow this account on a day like today. Unless I were to just go literally max size, which is 100 micros. Yeah, this is just a new Apex eval I bought for the sake of Labor Day trading, just for the stream. Not trading any kind of strategy, literally just going with the flow. If you're wondering why I'm sitting weird, it's because my dog is at my feet, not letting me scoot my chair into my desk. Don't think anybody was wondering that, but just in case you were. Uh-oh, here comes a breakout. Or a fake out. Alright, we gotta end Labor Day with a bang, right? So I'm just gonna sell one more. Well, 4 more. Might as well, right? Might as well. You ever trade your own capital? Yes. I do have a long-term portfolio in stocks that I trade that's not, you know, funded accounts or anything. Sometimes some crypto swing trades. I'm a little too dark. Still not really giving much. Kind of took out some short-term highs. Still not doing much. My first eval was after 7 years of trading real capital. Yep. Hey, that's the way you probably should do it, but that's not going to be the way most traders do it anymore. Yeah, I feel like we're going to get some... We're going to get some kind of big move out of here. The market's just kind of waiting. Whether it be up or down, I don't know, but... Are you on short? Yes, I'm short. Please don't copy me. This is not a typical trade. This is just for fun. As soon as we start breaking down, if we start seeing like a big drop, I'm just going to start slamming the sell button. Alright, that could be a fake out. I'm going to give it some time. You see, I don't trust those initial drops. You kind of got to get something more than that. Alright, I'm hammering that sell button. We're going all in. Okay, price is just dead. It stopped moving. It stopped moving. Hello? Is anyone there? That may have been a big mistake. Price looked like it wanted to move, and then it literally stopped moving. I don't think there was a single trade that took place for like 10 seconds. That may be the nail in the coffin for this trade if it's a fake out. Nail in the coffin for the account, that is. Let me check on you Discord live stream peeps. What's going on here? What is going on Discord? Man, I hate technology. Wow. This Discord, I'm sorry, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I can't share my screen on Discord anymore. I don't know what you guys can even see on Discord. Don't even know if you can see this anymore. So sorry. Don't know what the hell just happened. Alright, looks like that was a fake out, ladies and gentlemen. Now this thing might really rip. Unless that's a fake out. Wow. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, Discord. If you can't see me, I'm sorry. I don't see anything on my end, and I don't see any option to fix it. So join over at the YouTube if you really want. Or if you can still see me, then great. Just stay there then. All right, is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Looks like it wants to. Looks like it wants to, but it's not. Go, 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 go. Okay. Come on, Labor Day sell-off. Labor Day sell-off. Is this crypto or stocks? This is stocks, technically. Futures, index futures. All right, well, there was no follow-through at all there. This has to be the candle. This has to be the candle, essentially. And it's not. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm gonna buy 4. Lord knows this thing could just fake out. I'm gonna buy 4 more. Now I'm short 24. Now I'm going to put a stop loss at break even because of exactly what it's doing right now. All right, is that it? Is that all you're going to do? I think that's all it's going to do. That's all it's been doing all day is just these little moves that are just faded right back into the range. Guys, I'm not buying. I'm shorting, and when I was saying I was buying, it's because I'm taking profits. It's the opposite of shorting, it's buying. But didn't get to take much profits off, and now it's coming right back up. And a break even. All right, well, all of that for... All right, I'm just shorting again. 4, short 4. Can you... Are you... Yeah, okay. Short. I'm just shorting. I'm just shorting like crazy. We need some more action on this account. A Labor Day gambling session. That's a joke, TikTok. That's a joke. I'm not gambling. Alrighty, this thing needs to start moving a little bit more than that. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What just happened? How am I short? Oh, did I not put it in a... I'll just close it. Did I not put in a break even? Did I? I don't know what just happened. I think that took partial profit and then came and hit my break. I actually don't know what just happened. That was really quick. Patriot, thank you for the rose. 100? 100 what? Do you want me to do 100 micros? You want me to full port? I mean, literally, we're like break even on the day on this account. So, you know, I could end the stream with a crazy full port attempt. Why is it the best day to trade? It's a joke. It's not the best day to trade. It's the worst day to trade, probably. But we're just doing it for fun. All in? All right, Ryan says all in. All in. All right, I think 100 micros would be too much. Like literally, if it moves just a few points against me, it'll blow my account up. But I'll do like 40 micros. We'll do 40 micros, and we need a reason now to actually buy or short. Which right now I don't really see anything. Why was it stable for hours before and just now moving? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. All right. This may be a stupid idea, but I'm ready to get off the stream. So here's a little bit of a. It's not a full port, I guess. I think you could call it a half port. Just literally longing it above these moving averages. No rhyme or reason. Literally no rhyme or reason. I would never take this trade, but you know. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna close that out. We'll eat $100 loss. We'll wait for an actual opportunity. That was just a silly move. Don't want to get caught in that. The problem is I don't know where we're at, right? Like I don't trade this. I wouldn't be trading price right now, so I don't know where we're even like. Where are we even at? We're right at highs. That much is clear. Yeah, there's not much, man. There's just not much to really look at. Where do I full port? Who makes more money, a trader or a dropshipper? Neither. It's the person that fakes a rich lifestyle and sells a course. That's who gets the richest. Patriot, thank you for the rose. Oh, I think I already read that, but... Well, something's going on right now, and I don't know what. We just got a little bit of some random movement. The full port might be a short. Might be a failure of this area. Are you actually looking for a setup on a bank holiday? No. Well, technically yes, but no. Not actually trying to trade. For real, for real. For the 1 billionth time. Alright, if this thing starts breaking lower, I might take that full port trade down. It will likely fake me out, but, you know, what's life without a little risk? What? What is that fill? What is that fill? Price didn't. Is that spread? Wow, the trading is so thin that was my spread. I got a terrible fill. That is crazy. Price wasn't even there because the ATR is 2. The ATR is 2. Let me say that again. 2 points is the ATR. Okay, well, I'm full port short, basically. Let's hope this goes well. It probably won't. It actually looks like we're in a nice area of demand right here that I completely missed. Oh yeah, I was about to say I thought the charts were different. Well, we're sticking to it. We're sticking to it. You know the drill. Short 40, short 40. 40 micros. That's 4 minis, the equivalent of 4 minis. And I know I probably paid a fortune in fees for that. Please. All right, I'm going to take off 10 here. I need freaking limit orders, man. Oh my god. This is going to take me out for break even now. All right, we're just going to put limit orders down there. And more than likely this thing's going to come and wick me out. Because we are not really moving today, but... Oh, are you going to go, little guy? Oh, there we go. Wow, it's actually moving. And right back up. I'll put another 10 at the lows. And this will, again, likely come and take me out. Got lucky there with the little bit of a bigger drop. But, yeah. There's the classic now. Oh my God. Are we actually going to move? 9 out of 10 times, that takes me out for break even right there. So that's pretty good luck if I just missed it. Oh, sorry guys, you can't even really see this on Tic Tac. Oh my God, I need to fix this. Hold on. Oh. It took out another 10. All right. Well, all right, guys, we're ending the stream with a nice little full port short there. I just got 10 left. I was short 40. Just waiting on the last 10 here. Last 10. I know, Kaya. I'm gonna take you, okay? ATR is 2 points. Craziness. All right. Oh, wow. All right. That took me out there. Last 10 for a break even. Wow. Look at that. All right, guys. And wow, look at that. 12 p.m. That was the 12 p.m. 12 p.m. algo. So that marks the end of the stream for me, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are new, if you actually want to see trading in a normal day, not the bank holiday, Labor Day, make sure you're following, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're liking, make sure you're commenting, do whatever you got to do to engage, and you'll see my feed, especially on TikTok. If you do this on your screen, if you do that, tap, 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 TikTok will be like, hey, this guy or girl likes this content. So every time I'm live, TikTok will show you when I'm live. It'll literally just come up on your For You feed. So if you want to see me live, just like the stream, follow. And if you want to learn for free, check out my YouTube channel and check out my free bootcamp. It's better than most paid courses, I promise. So check it out. Link is in the bio. Link is in the description wherever you're watching. And I think Apex Trader is still running a 90% off sale. If you use code ST, you get 90% off Apex Trader funding. All right. And if you use code SimpleTrader at Take Profit Trader, you get 40% off with no activation fee. All right, guys, that's it for me. Happy Labor Day. I'll see you tomorrow.